In today's video, we're going to go over how to propagate a Benjamin Ficus or Ficus benjamina. Now this guy I've had here for a really long time. Ever since 2020, I air layered it off of a larger Benjamin Ficus, and sadly I have never changed its pot. Please don't judge me for it, but I'm going to go through all the steps. So first thing you need to do is you need to find a pot that is just slightly bigger, 1 to 2 inches, to be placing your Benjamin Ficus into. And of course you will need some fresh potting soil to be putting this ficus into to kind of refresh its nutrients. I'm just using a standard indoor potting mix, and I will link it below. So the first step to repotting your ficus is to gently remove it from its pot. If you have a large Benjamin Ficus, of course this is going to be a little bit harder, but I do recommend gently tipping it down so you can kind of squeeze that pot off of it. And as you can see, I don't have too many roots circling around. The only reason I'm repotting is because it has been about 5 years. But if you notice any of these other signs, such as there are roots circling around your pot or coming out of the drainage holes, the soil is drying out very, very quickly, or your Benjamin Ficus has kind of stopped growing or really slowed down, that is a sign that it is ready to be repotted. So once you have removed a majority of the soil and kind of unteased any circling roots, if you have them, don't be afraid if you break a few of them, it'll be okay. Go ahead and place your new potting soil in, gently press it down, and make sure that your ficus is in the center or where you would like it to be in the pot. After that, you want to give it a really good drink of water and thoroughly drench the soil and let it drain out of the drainage holes. If you leave any dry pockets of soil, that can really affect your Benjamin Ficus, so this part is crucial to get all the soil completely wet. And once it's water, you are basically done. Go ahead and set it into its decorative pot if you have one. And just a note, with ficuses, they can be a little touchy, so if you notice leaves turning yellow or a few leaves dropping off, just know that this is normal. It is your ficus adjusting, and it will bounce back over the next few weeks. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and feel free to subscribe if you want more helpful plant content.